At the heart of Asia's thriving economy lies Hong Kong, a vibrant city renowned as a global logistics and trade hub. With its strategic location and world-class infrastructure, Hong Kong serves as the gateway to China and the rest of the world. Every day, the demands of international trade grow larger, and businesses require faster, more reliable logistics solutions to stay ahead. This is where COSCO Shipping comes in. As a leader in the global shipping and logistics industry, we've been the trusted partner for businesses navigating this dynamic market for decades. With over 1,400 advanced vessels and an expansive global network, COSCO Shipping connects Hong Kong to over 160 countries, ensuring seamless, efficient, and reliable transportation across the globe. At COSCO Shipping, our dedicated team of professionals works tirelessly to deliver excellence at every step of the journey. Whether it's managing complex supply chains, ensuring timely deliveries, or developing innovative solutions, from the bustling ports of Hong Kong to the farthest corners of the globe, COSCO Shipping is more than a logistics provider. We're your partner in connecting opportunities, driving growth, and shaping the future of global trade.